Una good morning.
Don't mind her. She's coming here to paint herself like a saint.
I bet when I wait. From on more 30 of January ending, my platform, any woman at all, a single girl, married, no, just on background. Hello, who? Single girl, married woman. If you see my platform, I did live video. It a boy you know, if you stay, go. But if you decide, say you want to come up, you want to talk, any woman at all, if you come my platform from this January ending, it will start. The net not say good morning, never. Lamogun. We have a very road, we have a very road to Lamogun. Good morning is not allowed anymore. From month ending, January ending. If you say good morning, I will drop you. Go on your life, go on your screen. My platform, Lamogun. Why have a fair Lamogun? Bam. We go give you chance to speak. And right now, so they trade women for Nigeria. I don't know what it costs many women today for abroad. Because of after 15 years the road work. The lack of respect. I didn't know who not 12 or who not 12. Good morning. If you don't say want to say good morning, go and say it in your platform. Go and say it with your own platform. My platform is not allowed again. Any woman that you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Calabar, you be Bini, Bisha, if you come, we will tell you, say it, say, Waya Lamogun, before you continue speak. This January ending, law pass on. Women have to respect a man. Our mother respect our fathers. Why certain because when I come abroad, go spend 15 years for road work. When I lost una memory, when I lost una respect for road work. When I drop vagina for road work. When I drop respect for road work. When I drop all your way to una echoes for road work. When I carry exhibit, follow body, take the follow man the waka. Nigerian men don't talk and say enough is enough. No more. Ebony, go ahead. You are welcome.
Thank you. Well, Labogu, I be sure not to speak Bini, but
yeah, God bless you.
You know, this auntie will come up just now. Everybody come out here to come talk their mind, to come talk with it their mind. But she they talk with it they her mind just now. Why some people just sit down they attack her?
Yeah, because she they talk with it their mind, which is the land the law we did.
Because everybody they talk with it their mind. You not be saying
yes, Hold on. Not defend person, defend yourself. You see now, hold on. Me talking now say from Multedi now Lamogun. Why you talking today now? Why?
You said that you love
her. See now, so don't fight for no. I'm
not fighting for her. I'm just asking. I just ask because every man here just
did not obey the rule.
Talk your own. We be you for soccer.
So say your own. Forget the woman now. Say your own.
No, now wait to make me ask. That's just why I came up. Because anything about Iyore, I don't know. I know they follow her, so I don't know anything about her. You understand? So now just the woman where be say she come up just now. Every man just the attack her. She came to speak her mind. And it not mean say
Because he measured Nate join the jury. That mean the
Madam, if you not get what you want to talk, mute yourself.
now you get platform, now you get
Come on, you not do ask you question, nobody, not get what
Now
you
you
want
get
to your
am.
mouth.
If you
You
want
not get what you want to your play ball.
I beg, make una allow
I beg
princess.
get out for here.
you two
Make
get
una
out. What is that?
make una allow princess talk.
Get out, you not
allow
get
princess
you not
talk.
get you for your mouth. Get out.
Make princess talk. Make princess dey talk.
That be woman supposed to. That be only woman.
Hey, Bonnie, make you rest. Make princess talk.
Sister Ebony, you say you don't round up. May we hear from Princess.
Wàlá lókè o, ègbéra mi, wàlá lókè ègbíjé mi, ní ma níbẹ̀ díẹ̀ wà bóbi ẹ̀. Ẹ̀dọ́ ẹ̀yẹ ya gùn àrùn dá ihò ní búyá mọ́ èrè gbótọ́ yá láìwé bóyá náà dò mọ́ èrè gbótọ́ yá. Ihò ní bú máa rí ẹ̀ tradition yá máa rí ẹ̀ kìíní akéde yá máa rí ẹ̀ kìíní agidi. Ọ̀kẹ́ ìdámẹ́ wà rí láìwé bò wà náà dò mọ́ èrè gbótọ́. Bati ogyo bave do weno kwoni no eboni nduwe na nyoduhu da o ma no iro ne wati ya vedo ogyo ba atiyan o ma no ri fi pe ari egwa wati ya vedo ogyo ba tiyan weke nyoduhu I respect madam egeni jore na ro for 2 years. Umanyo duhunu yaka magwe non stop. I feel bege no dioma. Egeni jore na de ebe o donu weke nwa okwo de bejia okwo dada ve beji ve doa. Okay, dame nu wa. Wana do mwerere wana do mugboto ve webo. Okwo dada ve beji ve donu wake nwa. Ero. No okeke nu wa tema taruda nu wa ge viebo la wa. Wani bun wa viebola wa muda waga miemata wagite mata yeme. Okay, dame wadie mana wadwa atakami biani kamu wa mata. We a platform wajoni a platform ogyon ba no. Wadwa atawa we baba ma we ogyon ba no. E baba ladia no doka mo ma ogyon ba no. E no mani u amwebo amuladia. Ana muladian vedo o edo no baje agbon ya bere e video ni yero me fun ana muladian ana tie na mo ki oba ya fe eni jore ruwe eni mo ki face ruwe eni ya ni bun ruwe wa ma bere wa ni bun ikan ake ya gbuwa wa sedo muda ereruwa wa do mwere poto ve webo. Wagi yogo no dono no riwayo wa. Mude ijore nu wagi lele hia. Mudi ijore me secret wani bun wa magi temata. Ijeme. Okeke nu wa respecto bia. Nu wari yo nu wari eki nu wakere nu wari respecte ku wakere waga mi ogyon ba makeke wanyo dugu ma ya yi ovie do wahin. Wa ovie do wa zedo kwa ekan. Oni hia do kamu wa. Wa ro enwan.
Thank you, Mama Princess. My support what she talk just now, eh? This lady, so now person that they respect very well, now person will understand tradition. You understand? So although I not speak the Benin, eh? But now person that they respect very well. If you see woman, you will not say now woman. All those ones they go your platform. So people when don't use rubber prick, spread their pussy by themselves. Why they don't get respect for men again? They don't need prick again. If they find prick now, they don't carry one cocoa bar. They choose for themselves this thing. They don't get respect. All those ones, so to pronounce your name, because people are saying that edict to them. They must add mommy journal. You use good 2.5 years. They talk to palace. Those nonsense women, women, nobody come up say, stop this way they do so. They see they continue they do that. When Edo and Igbo Saga did that time, he already come out. He lasts for Edo people head. He said 13 years, 14 years, 4 children. Benin people, Edo people, they come Europe. When they come Edo, and I like he already talk. because he dey with Igbo man that time. Somebody where they bring una kingdom down every day and night. As a Benin person, if you marry a woman, you go your platform, you by mistake condemn that man. You go say leave the man and get husband for you. You will comot that man for your hand. You will give her to Igbo man because she dey date Igbo man, and that kind of person una wan dey worship. And tomorrow you go say men I leave na husband, make una dey use rubber prick. All those people dey support you always go check the way their brain na gari full am. Now make I dey ask them why na they charm them, because they no dey think like normal human being again. We need prayer and fasting for them, make they think well, because the already don't use their brain do money. Let's wait and see for inside.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah,
So I know I want to mention now, please. 1 minute. God bless you.
Evano noe ilele na lele na do noe iji no redo noe mine palasi wa to la kotemendo honore ban otemi ya iku ni buwe webo dele na yaru wodo ya tu wegbe botamata magi ata ya hoga webo ya wa hioma wa you wa evi hianu wa ho to wa back wa supportive against him no ma agweva wagwon if you give do awai wa support ije ta me ma no lele platform ni e bono lele kan we lelu wa kan do wa ma do wama ne do kai lele do kai le vani lele platform ni wa no rie ibude na wama min wa yaku ega se wa ke no wa ye evina gbona akiri jo kere akwa ma aguge ivia dogi se do yana do fi worie owi o ka kere no ma bie o iya ti e mommy Aviji man of about 60-something years in there, he had your carry mommy. He were react more was a mew white warrior and reject bay, or we and finna, or when are there. When I don't win of any my young winner will put it. Don't yore will wear you winner. Or me go there, or do I
so, or many people actually use.
Udaga I know an abi maladi paper now. We know an my own ya. Ewo pa ma ye ni ya. Mama keni ma ye. Francis ya ma ye. But no fear ko o ba kun egero wa ya wazi egbe. Le wa aki e were Pluni, a body of a little wa. Rita say, what or babe.
Where's the Kakabo? Thank you very much.
Big Man 500.
Yeah.
Thank you for a job well done. With all due respect, I've been seeing you and I'm your friend, and we have been together for a long time. You know that, understand? That's when I can report now, when they similar to what you talk now. Now it be Austin on Facebook, on TikTok. This person, anybody when they carry matter go meet her, any year matter, when I drive on a husband come out. Austin, now they call him. This boy, when they call him, when they call this boy, when they talk to Sweet Banana, they always appear for a platform. Anytime when you want to talk to for a matter, when you will make people when they this women when they this Europe get sense, that the two will harm you, either they drop you or they will just make sure that they bring you down. What make me like you because even though hatred not day, you they talk at the way when it be, and I like you for that. This Austin, people they gather for there, especially women. When me say man, they when want to the better word, when things want to better for the women, either it drop am. But you carry your woman put for house, you dey tell other people say call police for your man. If you just do you like this, now I say now the cemetery when you for the work, because if Austin they watch this video now me they talk to you yesterday when you still drop. Me they pass this information for you now. That you are a part of a destroyer of people in Europe. Destroying people married. Telling people to be calling police for their husband. Destroying people home. Austin and who I want Adjoina. Now? This sweet banana cake. You can never talk on another platform. You be like this. You go to another platform for you to be recognized. You will talk another one. This only what the message I'm sending to Austin or TikTok. I don't know whether that is the real name you use to open that your TikTok. That is why I say make I join this platform. Me at TikTok I say because the work when you they do is just to neutralize everything to make everything balance. Anyone that is not trying to use your platform to say he want to destroy people home or he want to cause confusion because you are inside your room, you want to come and destroy it. Now God, now he go punish them. You don't understand? I dey hear you. I get many things when they say, man, I believe in you, and your platform is really genuine to go with. Thank you. You can drop me now. Thank you.
And our topic of today concerning this woman where the art movie. Some people they pronounce her Toto Diki. So they pronounce her Toto Diki. So anyhow you like, pronounce her. As far as T-O-T-O-D, now you know how you have to pronounce her. Now, the woman, single mother for good 10 years. She come later realize, say, single mother is forbidden for this world. Now she cry out. So to take get money, not be Tinubu they give her benefit. To take not they use as son, take they collect money from government. To take not they government hassle. To take not they collect share benefits. Now, since when the woman do that video, how many of you now, where not they allow una children see their papa? How many of you now don't take correction from that video? Hello? Single mother, where not they allow their children to see their father. Since where the woman do that video, una don't, how many of una change? May una children they see their father. Or may their father they see their children. I don't see any useless single mother where analyze that video. I don't see any useless single mother where the vlogger where he vlog that video. Why? So shame Kashuna. Shame Kashuna. Say Toto Dike by self. Carry son. A son go find father. Shame Kashuna. So, men, make una get her for mind. Una see that benefit statement where some useless single mother they make for abroad say, if he can grow, he not go see papa. If he can grow, he not go find father. Make una no mind it. Now, benefit language that they speak. Frustration language that they speak. Now, frustration language that they speak. So you see all those videos, it make men know in case you there inside. Your baby mama, not they allow you see your children. Leave her for them. You see the way Shoshi leave his son for Toto DK. He leave her for her. After 10 years. Now the boy say, if you don't carry me, go give my father, I will turn your head. But Toto DK use her mouth and say, inside that 10 years, she they pretend. No peace, no love, no food. She or they pretend for media. They open teeth for nothing. She not get joy. Una way there abroad, where they come house, Adoro house, where they say, God forbid, what did the man do me? You not go see children. What did the man do me? You not see children. Shame of you now. Una see now. If children grow, they will look for their father. The money we want to collect for the children head from government, una children go ask you now. That money now pay back. That money we want to use the children they make from government, una must pay back to them. All of you now, where not they allow children see father. Where not they let father see children. All of you now. Una go walk in vain. Una pikin go put una for prison. Because not una pikin send una message. Not una pikin say una not get character. Not una pikin say una not know how to talk. Not una pikin say una go here, go through left for bush. So if marriage not work, if friendship not work, you go. Why you not go allow children go to see the papa? Because of child benefits. Because of child benefits. All of you now, shame and the grace, now go wear on a shed if I come. Shame and the grace, now go wear on a cloth if I come. If you know say you dey inside my sister, you know they allow your children greet your papa or see papa, or you know they allow your papa see your children. My sister, you this Toto DK take learn. Please let the papa see him. If not the man not wish to see, you go no say, but you be fight. But tell the pikin, see where your papa did. I don't know why you know I can't see you now. See where he did. See his brother. See his sister. Maybe if pikin grow, he go find the papa by himself. But say you deny the pikin to see papa, you not allow papa see the pikin, you must go prison if time come. When I say now prison, Toto DK be one enter. Now she take wrong. Carry pikin go give papa say, see your power. All of the way then, sir. Hello, Ebony.
Yes, bros.
Yeah. Sis, you dey You want to say something?
I beg, I want to analyze something. This benefit money where everybody they shout about benefit money. Benefit money for I don't know in the other countries, but in France, benefit money say you want only one pikin now. It's 100 euros something.
Uh-huh.
And because you make one point just now saying the children will ask you about that money for future. You see that money, so the government they pay you that money so that you go use that take care of the children.
Okay.
You go use that take buy them clothes, buy them things where they need for school, buy them, shoes and all of that. Okay, now if you be say you use that money to buy the things now, which are the one can ask for the future? Like you the use that they buy things for the now. What
Okay,
the one can ask for as in because if you not buy the things, say you they gather the money, they keep the money,
Yeah.
that means they're not gonna get clothes where they want wear. They're not gonna get food where they want eat. So there is nothing as say they'll go ask you the money for future. There is nothing
Let
like
me answer
that.
you, please. Let me answer you. Please, can you mute? Mute and answer you. I don't want me you on mute. No. Just mute and listen to me. Number one, I know the answer only you want. And the answer other people where you want to see you the same statement where you use so. Now I want to answer them together. Government they give you 120 euro. Your hand and leg, your leg back here. Your two hands there. Why you not walk? Pick it where you born. Why you not they walk? They take care of your children. The money where government they give you that 100 euro. Say use and buy clothes. Maybe they save that one. Maybe they use your sweat salary. Then they take care of your whole picking where you born. Why you they forbid? Why you enter cold? Go road work. Go work money, give your brother. Why you enter cold? Go road work. Find money, send money, give your uncle. He reach your own picky body. You don't want to work again. For your own picky where you born by yourself. You don't want to born. You don't want to work again. You want to stay house. Go and work 8 hours and feed your children. Because you work 24 hours for road work. Do you have for family? Some of you are buy motor, giving a brother. Some of you are buy motor, giving an uncle for road work money. Now, it don't show your own picky where you born. Why you don't want to work? Maybe they save that 100 euro where government they give you, say, take for your picking. Maybe they save that one for them. Maybe they enter cold, rain, sun, they work, then they feed your picking by yourself. That government money, you they save that one. He said forbid it. He said forbid it. You go enter cold, go road work, start for road work, set fire, naked. Dog go come, spirit go come, Ibeza come, Pelesi come. You go carry the Ebola. You go carry the Ebola put for mouth, suck am, collect money, send and give uncle. You suck bola for road work, send and give your brother, your sister, back home. You don't born now as your own pikin. You don't want work no matter job again. You don't want work. You want to depend on government. Una go receive butu. Una brother wanna send money to. Maybe they send money back to Nana. Zero. So that's your statement where you say government they give the money, maybe they take back lot, maybe they take back this, use that money, they keep on go and work 8 hours. And feed yourself and feed the PK when you get. Okay?
I feel talk.
Yeah.
See, bros, we are talking about two things here: road work and government money, and to work.
Yeah.
Okay. What be they talk about? Be say that government money, because you mentioned about the future. That government money is not for the future.
It's for future.
No, bros, wait, I beg. that money is not for the future. It's not for saving. It's for you to
Wait
take care
now,
of your children.
hold on. That statement is taboo. It's wrong. Government not tell you. Say, take this money or go and save it. No. Even you yourself, where you take government hand, government they tell you say this money take go and buy shoe, go and buy purse. No, they give you for say feeding at the end of the month, but you go carry inside the money. Don't go buy shoe.
Big Mama.
You go carry inside the money. Government tell you say inside this. Hold on. Hello. Hold on. Government tell you say inside this money where they want to give you so. Stay 20 euro, go give your man. They tell you like that. No, but don't be use your mind. Same inside, give your man, give your pa. So now, government still give you the money now. Say, take care of your children, your pikin. Why you not go save her on your own wisdom? Say, okay, this money, let me keep her. Let me work 8 hours. Take care of myself and my boy or my daughter. You forbid to do that.
Okay. You see for the future where you dey talk, bros. Now your own money where you work. Now you go feel safe for the future.
If you save that one, you forbid.
Now where's how they talk so? It's not a forbidden thing. It's not a forbidden thing to save money where you yourself they work. But the one where government they give you that they take care of the children. For now,
At least they see 50 euro. You still save for the children. They not say they see for the children.
All of them. You don't understand me.
Go account for the children. It's not that you dey 50 euro go for the account for the children. Woman supposed to work.
No, not everybody they do a shower. Mona, I beg, Mona leave that side.
I don't know who do it.
I don't know.
Brussels.
But the one that they say children will go to school now. Children will go to school now the money for the future.
At least. That one that's supposed to save for children. They're supposed to save. They say 50 euro every month. We go see school.
Yes, that was there. That was there. But they say 50 euro.
Okay, inside you want 20.
For the future.
No, inside you want 20. At least they say 50 euro, they say 70 euro. You put for the.
You know, say you save all the money. You say you go to save part from the money. You know, say you save part of the money.
Because for the future reference. Your children will go ask you. Where's the money? Where's the money?
Yes,
Hello. I want to contribute.
So it's okay.
They say on 50 euro, yes,
you have to
some more that they don't account for children. Which is very bad.
Like
some more that not got.
I want to use myself for example. Like me, when me go bank, the bank manager tell me say why you be say money not in my account. I can't tell her and say because I dey put her for my children. It see my children account. The man can't say make I stop. You understand? He say make I stop. I can't say why. He say your own account you not get money inside. He say make I stop to dey put for the children. Oh, before the man tell me say me I dey put money, me I stop to dey put money for my children account. He don't see and say because he dey see am now for the system. Say the money where they my children account no be small. Do you understand? He can't tell me say no. He can't say in case of old age, for example, I go need them. Say you don't do for the kids home, and the kids when they talk, so they never even grow. When you be say maybe they don't reach like 15 years, 16 years, 12 years. No, they never reach that kind of age. So now myself I dey use now as an example.
You know why they tell you like that? You know why they tell you like that? Number one, you are a liability to the government. Hold on. You are a liability. If you dey work 8 hours, government not get out to tell you say See where you want to save money go. See, not put on here, not put on here. No, you get right if you are working. Because now government they feed your children. That's the reason why they see get mad to tell you that say, not put for here, put for here. If you dey get off for bed, they better us working 8 hours. You get out to the save 200 for your children every month. Now your sweat money, your salary money. Because some of you now, Busus, Saturut, condos.
No, what you no, if
for family.
what is the man talk? What is the man talk? Me, I still they put for my own
Some
account.
of you, because you are in liability to the government. Are you working?
You know that they work.
Are you working right now?
No matter say if you they work, of
Are
course.
you working?
Of course. But even if the hours not too much.
So, if you they work,
Because if I wait, listen, no.
government not get out to tell you, say, save for year, save for year.
Of course.
Because you are
Yes.
not working.
Yes, they get her.
Hold on, let me correct you. The time where government tell you, you are not working, maybe not now you work. But the time where they tell you that word, you are not working. Because they say, this woman, they give her money this month for children, for herself. I can't, money not there. Okay, money where they give her. If they carry and go to children's side, you know, they put her for you, okay, you will stop. Because we not feel they give you money
No.
for feeding. You got the save her. Because that money, government not tell you, say, maybe the save her. They give you. They take care of the children.
Now what's in here? We are saying
Hold on.
If I wait for the government give you money,
I will drop you. Let me drop you first.
You know, chop all.
Let me just drop you so that you can request again. They give you that money to take care of your children. Now they give that money for. But you, as a woman, where you do road work, where you labor for family, you have to labor for your children too. You they work. That money where government they give you. If not that one you they save for, now your salary when you they earn they save for, government don't know again. They don't know again.
But I
because
dey
you are
work
working.
now.
If
I dey work
you
now.
not they work,
No.
if you not they work, you are a liability.
No.
After you work for two madam, after you pay 120,000 euro for madam, you spend 15 years for road work, you carry 15 million men. Bola. It is your children body. You say you don't want to work.
If I not be all women
Now,
do a shower.
Beautiful house. I tell you guys.
Not be all women do a shower now.
That you do, you not do. Go and work.
See, what are they calling for here now? Your consent.
Go and work.
Because you know why? It is
Liability.
you still
Every
need to
toilet
but
condom.
listen. He said you still need to they put for your account. Not be only children
Wow.
they put. See they add to your own account.
If you dey
Now
work,
the
if
person
you dey
talk.
work,
You know your
they're
talk.
not going to tell you that.
Of course I they work.
Now, because say you
But
want to
they-
work,
I
that's
dey
the reason why they tell you, okay? So, your time don't expire for your contribution.
But
Because you are not working. Liability to society. Now, our task, they take the feed all of your way, not the work. Our task, they increase every time, every month, they increase our task.
Okay.
What you got task? Because of these users people. Shall benefit in Beluwa. Why we now? After many years, we not the work. So, we'll hear from next person. Yeah, go ahead.
Have you talk?
Yeah, continue.
This children, this money so make government they give children. They don't say me they not use and buy something. Me, I dey work. They don't say me they not use and buy something for children. But if not, not be say me person not see like 50 euro. Put for issue of the account say this one work 50 euro. This one account 50 euro. This is how they give them. Not for your carry your because this one they work, for example. Go see you and sit support for us. For instance, some children not say they eat. Some women never get account for children. And they go and their way. If they no, they say 50 euro. Your sister put for them. The thing say now you go ask me to do my own. Ask me to do my own. I not do and say Timmy do reach 18 years say they'll get that. I don't want say if I want see need money, as if it go inside go collect it.
Exactly.
Anytime. I say do and maybe I get problem. Enemy get problem. Many me the problem. I go see if you could use for example, but I know how they say for them, I know they touch the
When
money.
you talk to child benefits now,
So
all
we
of
make
them
they
are
don't get accounts for children
Why
for
not?
this
Of
Europe,
course.
which is very bad.
go rise.
They don't
Because
get
my
accounts for
family
children
problem.
for this
Where?
Europe. You know good.
Let's do
You know-
calculation.
Now everybody
Children
do
Take your
go-
barrow.
they go
See
spend
my
their
barrow
way,
here.
they reach
But I
18
know
years
they
now.
say, not the
See,
say,
See,
if I
see,
don't
see,
know,
you see that money so even that 120,
I would blah,
that
blah.
Where's the
120
money when I go for
is
Black
not
Boy?
even enough.
Now everybody give
For
blah,
that
blah.
Some of them pay house rent for. Some of them pay house rent for Black Boy for good 10 years.
I mean, we will say
Black Boy
some.
no dey work.
Okay, some. Okay, some.
That
of
one,
them.
that
Some
one,
of them
that
pay
one,
house
people
rent
where
for
they
Black Boy.
single.
Where the
That
money?
one are most single girls. Now they do that
Now
one.
women
Where the
no
money?
dey
Even I
That-
got
that-
this
that-
money.
they do something.
See, a partner
Women
that
make me
they
say
single.
they work.
Maybe
What does
you
child
dey-
benefit?
If you say women, maybe
Not be mumu person. Now you go.
maybe if you dey where you say
some woman that may not
maybe woman
work,
wey
the money
be
fit not reach
say
there
get
do
children.
anything. But the one made they work, it go reach there.
I tell ya.
Not be woman wey get children go dey carry black
No,
boy.
the one made they
every
work,
time
it go reach
black boy,
there.
black boy.
Sister. Unless say
Alright.
that woman they work,
Oh,
then no
go
go
to
reach.
one of the chairs. You are welcome to the house.
Then no go reach.
I greet you, brother.
Yeah, we greet you. But how will you take ground now?
All the message we
Concerning-
since I don't dey watch you
Yeah,
since.
concerning if Pikin grow. I don't know whether you see this video.
I understand
So,
now with you. I understand what you they talk since. So I don't dey follow you since where you dey talk.
Okay.
Now the right thing when they're supposed to they do, even both the man or both woman. So everybody must learn this time around to make sure say yes, they will feel they take care of their children. To make sure say yes, you go dey open account for your children. To make sure say you go dey support, not be by to just born pikin, you go carry and go give government, okay? Because with those things where be say yes, many things they do, where be say they happen here. That is why you see many all those government and many places, all this your country, everybody they cry, they come out, they cry. Government take my pikin, or government take my pikin. Okay, you can't talk say person where be say they take care of pikin for you. Now you get the pikin. Who they take care of pikin? Now you get pikin. So you know go feel say yes, one day you will just there for many years for the country where you dey, you know they work. You know they work, nothing where you know they do. You know they do anything, you just sit down for inside house. More time now you go for benefits, more time you go for special protection. Say yes to your pikin. We both your pikin they okay, we not they okay. You go right and down, say they not they well. So that make the money take big. Make the money big. Una go dey use and tell you. Una no so now they condemn those children life. When those children go just say yes. Amen. Madam, never make point. I just
They don't do test.
Oh,
They don't do
oh,
examination.
madam, leave that one, many.
No,
Leave
no,
that
no.
one. Leave that one.
We cannot believe
Leave that one because
Una just dey
you
fabricate
can never,
things.
you can never believe.
Una dey fabricate talk.
You
Nothing
can
like that
never
dey
believe.
happen. No, dey talk truth.
Because you be woman, and that is why you want to challenge. You want to talk, okay?
You don't want for the
Okay. Now listen to me. Listen to me. Let me talk. Una dey talk sis. Una dey talk sis. Una talk
Nothing
sis.
like that dey happen. Nothing like that.
Madam,
Mom dey
I
talk
said the
sis.
apple. It the apple. Madam, I said the
Una
apple.
wait, I make
Okay.
talk now.
It the apple. So let me talk.
May
Una
I
dey
your
talk
opinion
since
now?
I listen because now my own I dey talk. Una talk una host things now. Me I listen to make sure say make I respect una. So una go still respect me. Make I
They go
talk.
out of point.
Okay. I dey go out of point
Yes.
because I know say you they do the same thing where be say
No,
yes
no,
you
no,
do.
you
If
dey
they
go
check
out
you
of
well
point.
now,
No,
if they
wetin
check
vex
you well
me?
now.
If I wait,
No,
wetin vex me
it can
for
never
saying
vex
that-
you. If they check you now, you feel be like say maybe now the same thing now you they do. Okay? So
What
what
I
now
dey
they
do?
talk about, what now they talk about, like the message where be say yes, you they talk, just now say yes, say they're supposed to be safe. So now read. When they give woman money, if now 200, if they come for the children, say yes, say that they give the children. If the woman say maybe yes, if they take €100 for his side, still in Malaysia, he can keep €100. You understand? Because he go take care of the children. Because those children they go buy cream, many things go day. Because you get some things where people say yes, say you and the man, I can't day, una day house. The money not come fit reach. At the end of the month, maybe una don't pay B. Una don't pay everything finish for the house where be say una day. Una not fit get money where be say una want to buy tissue, una not fit get money where una want to buy the things. But the woman will still bring those one come out. Say, okay, maybe we use this one to support the house. You understand? But that one where be say that is safe, you must dey get like that kind of 50 or €100 where you go dey save for the children. You understand? You don't feel just they eat all of them. Because get the stage where pikin be say yes, he go don't reach the stage where be say he don't reach. He go they see Oyibo friends where be say all of them did the same school where they did.
Because you know say if you are person they play, you don't feel your collar, you don't feel your neck can't give her like that. I say, but he said that they call you name. I say, yeah, even though we are major, I beg you. You're talking blah, 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 blah. Your end call, now your rest. And I say, go do the needful. Right from time. Ubiku yoto, ya paki kunube yoto. Ubiku yevo, ya zo. No way. She don't take advice from anybody. She go want advise somebody. Now when it bring quarrel for inside body, between me with Amu. I got to her say, come. You don't know if they advise somebody. If they advise you, where you? Sometimes, if I go a platform, sometimes, if I want to talk, maybe she get topic. She go mute me. I'll just come down. I got to notice something. It's okay. But I say this woman, because of what I tell her the truth. Because she don't like truth. When me a miracle, a purpose your set, you join that one. So yeah, big man, come. Let me join miracle. Let me saga you. Now you come and come saga me. But some of our puppies say, he come and come talk to me. Not be talk to me. He come and come insult me. If when I pronounce like that, he just come and come insult me. He just not come and come talk to me. He don't have 2 months and not reply. Also long away. As he saga me for the first time, what did I do? I block her for WhatsApp. I block her for more progress. My Facebook. I block her. If I say, you can see her there. It's okay. Big man, don't block me. Or you got go on. Indirect, they talk to me. Indirect. Okay. Again, you ask some boy out. You saga me and not talk. I block you for peace to reign. Sis, my own way setting cool. I block you. Even before I even block her. She called me. Mommy love, say something so that you can give other people to speak right now. Mommy love, are you there?
For the first time, you say it's saga you for the first time. That day when Mommy Jore talk, when they talk the matter for a platform, when they talk.
She don't call her Mommy Jore. She call her Mommy Jore. She don't disobey the law. Why you call her Mommy Jore?
So may we start our program. I drop you. Go and call that name for a platform. It's forbidden here. Sorry for that. If you want on your live, if you want on your what you want also, go on your live screen. Send message to me. Maybe people will cut her. They'll send and give me say, come on, Mommy love. See what he talk about you. They'll share and give me. I will listen. Okay? But for my platform to put mommy is forbidden. You're not rich.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh, one of my family. Oh, one of my mom. Oh, one of my mom.
God bless you. Now be one talk so.
Name one mom or a sister.
Yes, it's a sister forever.
So, not measure that name here.
God bless you, my brother. A great day house. How you go dey call person wey not get pikin, not get wife, husband? He go dey call her mommy. How that one take come? I don't understand though. Benin people, make una change una way now. This woman not marry, not born. If they remove people, remove women come up for husband house. If they destroy all of them. If they enjoy himself, if they live in life, una not they talk to her. A person will not they take advice, but go they give people advice. Now this life where we got there now constantly say person will not get husband. If they give who the husband house advice. Which advice you want give them? How?
Please, get it to our talk concerning your so for 30 minutes. May we enter Toto DK Matza. We enter 30 minutes. We not get anything to talk about.
Okay, make a quick talking. Thank God, this matter if you want to talk. When that mommy love, they come say me change the topic to you will not get sense. That spirit where you they use for now. If not, me the reason whether you na charm they use for all of now. Now no they get sense, and they know they made mistake. They want to see how that mommy Jonah, me mommy you all of them they come mommy you so. Some of na girls man, I your portion na come for husband house. You go say make una come for husband house, you want give na to man. You go give na to Igbo man. Igbo man na tomorrow now she said this one. You go say me na the use over prick, they fuck una self. How person wey get sense? Woman go say me na the use over prick, they fuck una self. Now the way they take am. That means una toto don spoil. For woman to say me na the use over prick, they fuck una self. It don't finish una. And na the way they do am. That better I want to talk. Those people, they not they know my again. I wait and see for dear with that one.
Thank you very much. Now we hear from Ebony. Ebony boss. You got what you want to talk concerning this Ijori matter or not?
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Yeah, God bless.
House. I decided to send a request because of just listening. I think maybe it's my first time of joining your platform.
Okay.
First and foremost, what I want to say is, especially our men in the house, we said that please we have to mind maybe the words that come out from our mouth. It's like an egg. When it breaks, you cannot gather it together. Maybe there is a misunderstanding between you and the woman, or the way she approach you, or the way she talk in public that you did not like, that provoke you. But we should remember one thing, that all this thing we are doing online is stuck in one place. Our children, they are growing up to come and see them. We will think that we know more in this computer or the internet. We don't know more. We're the adults. The children, they know more than us. And the fathers, the men in the house, because sometimes if we are talking this way, they say that now women, they talk past. But this reality, some men, they talk more than
talk
women.
Your own. You have a too long.
Wait, please, bro. Please, bro. Please, yeah.
Mama, not talk to us, talk to jury, not talk to us. We don't need to have that. We don't need to have that. Not talk to jury, we don't need to have that.
Thank you. If you don't need my advice, I'm just talking to the host. Okay? Yeah, I'm talking to the host, okay? Because what we are saying, we are men. Tomorrow, you don't know where your children will go tomorrow. Misunderstanding. Understand? I'm making an agui. Egbe atologbe obulo amekere na gwi no ede na hwero salobo akpana no ezo agara run eva oge agaseva ogbo afureyo no na am come down maybe I say what say agagwi emi na sunu maybe oziyan iseto se ni gi aro we ni aka aro ona ime nwegbe no pa ime nwegbe eri am na gbonkin e na dey social media our tale ya fo o panonya the social media to boy or we calm down when we calm down, but no, what they just they made the woman and the woman now advise say the women or over who stupid pass and the women or over or wakama working na would you say one no but where yawe no no mawo nurie na ma no ro nurie fo a okay okwo ni wa we kama we gwenu pa yo wodo for where ugele pa wore
oge akoya no next year
Obama promasom Obama
Madam, there's way for now. They make us on now. You know see the video when they make us on now. You know see the video when they make us on now.
Gabriel Madam Nugagoa. I
don't insult me. I did not.
I don't have any personal grudges with the Yore.
I did not know
but
you.
The Yore has personal problem with the Benin Kingdom.
Please, everybody, we have to respect the royal palace and the royal family.
If you want to respect the royal palace, you don't need to come and talk about the Yore here. When Yore, not when they let us on Yore. They let us on Yore. Keep quiet. You are not loyal to the palace. You are loyal to the You are loyal to the Yore. You are not loyal to the Benin Kingdom. Now Yore she loyal to Yore.
Woman na ene no kia tabu nu. Oge ba do we mi mata you nobody have to keep quiet.
Una good morning.
Me keep quiet, good Yore.
She's coming here to paint herself like a saint.
I bet when I wait from on more 30 of January ending my platform, any woman at all, a single girl, married, no, it is on background. Hello, who? Single girl, married woman. If you see my platform, I did live video. It dey boy you know if you stay. Go. But if you decide, say you want to come up, you want to talk, any woman at all, if you come my platform from this January ending, it will start. The net not say good morning, never. Lamogun. Good morning is not allowed anymore. From month ending, January ending. If you say good morning, I will drop you. Go on your live, go on your screen. My platform, Lamogun. Bam. We go give you chance to speak. And now so they trade women for Nigeria. I don't know what it costs many women today for abroad. Because of after 15 years the road work. The lack of respect. I didn't know who not to level. Good morning. If you don't say good morning, go and say it in your platform. Go and say it with your own platform. My platform is not allowed again. Any woman that you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Calabar, you be Bini, Bisha, if you come, we will tell you, say it, say, Waya Lamogun, before you continue, speak. This January ending, law pass on. Women have to respect a man. Our mother respect our fathers. Why set it? Because they will come abroad, go spend 15 years for road work. Una lost una memory. Una lost una respect for road work. Una drop vagina for road work. Una drop respect for road work. Una drop all your way to una echoes for road work. Una carry exhibit. Follow body. Take the follow man the waka. Nigerian men Don't talk and say enough is enough. No more. Ebony, go ahead. You are welcome.
Thank you. Well, Labo go. I be sure not to do speak Benin, but
Yeah, God bless you.
you know, this auntie will come up just now. Everybody come out here to come talk their minds, to come talk with it their mind. But she they talk with it her mind just now. Why some people just sit down they attack her? There is
Yeah, because she they talk with it their mind, which is the land the law we did.
because everybody they talk with it their mind. It not be saying
Yes,
it not be saying no. Yes.
Hold on. Not defend person, defend yourself. You see now, hold on now. Me talking now say from Motendi now Lamogun. Why you talking today now? Why?
You said that you love God.
You see now, so don't fight for no fight
No,
for
I'm not
anybody.
fighting for
Fight
her.
yourself.
I'm just asking. I just ask because every man
she
here
not
just
obey. She not obey the rule.
Nah, man,
Any
talk
court
your own.
will enter.
Talk your own.
Carry
What
the
is that
rule.
you for soccer?
So say your own. Forget the woman now. Say your own.
no. Now wait to make me ask. That's just why I came up because anything about Iyore, I don't know. I know they follow her, so I don't know anything about her. You understand? So now just the woman where be say she come up just now. Every man just the attack her. She came to speak her mind, and it not mean say
Because he measured Nate join the jury. That mean the
Madam, if you not get what you want to talk, mute yourself.
now you get platform. Now you get.
Come on, you not do ask you question. Nobody, not get what
Now
you
you
want
get
to your
am.
mouth.
If
You
you
not
want
get what you want to just my ball.
I beg, make una allow
I beg
princess.
get out for here.
you two get out. What is that?
Make una allow princess talk.
Get out, you
Allow
not get
princess
you your mouth. Get out.
Make princess talk. Make princess get talk.
That be woman supposed to. That be only woman.
Bonnie, make you rest. Make princess talk.
Sister Ebony, you say you don't round up. May we hear from princess.
Wala loke o, egbera me, wala loke egbije me, ne manive dien kwa buwe. Edo ya gwa runda ihu ni bunya mwere gboto ya laiwe bunya na do mwere gboto ya. Ihu ni bumagie tradition ya magie kinia kede ya magie kinia gidi. Okay, dame wagi laiwe buwana do mwere gboto. Bati ogyo bavedo weno kwoni no eboni nduwe na nyoduhu da oma no irone watinya vedo ogyo ba atinya oma no gi fiupe ari egwe watinya vedo ogyo ba tinya weke nyoduhu I respect madam egeni Iyore na ro for 2 years. Umanyo duhunu yaka magwe non stop. I feel bege no dioma. Egeni Iyore na de ebe o donu weke nwa okwo de bejia okwo dada ve beji ve doa. Okay, dame nuwa. Wana do mwerere wana do mugboto ve webo. Okwo dada ve beji ve donu wake nwa. Ero. No okeke nuwa tema taruda nuwa ve viebola wa. Wanibun wa viebola wa muda waga miemata wagite mata yeme. Okay, dame wadie mana wadwa atakami biani kamu wa mata. We a platform wajoni a platform orion ba no. Wadwa atawa we va ma we orion ba no. E va la dia no doka mo ma orion ba no. E no mani u amwe bo amula dia. Ana mwebo, ana muladian vedo, o edo no baje, agbon ya bere. E video ni yero me phone. Ana muladian, ana
Wow, my people, not be small thing.